Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to show or display total review count for different star rating and overall shop average rating using custom code in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WordPress dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, scroll down, you can add title A, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So by using this code we are going to display total count for different star rating, and also we display shop average rating for all reviews for product. Now you see text star and then you see star for more than one reviews, so you can add this text according to your requirement. And then scroll down, you see star average, so you can add text according to your requirement. And then you see rating average, no review yet. Now you see echo product count by rating HTML, and then you see echo product rating average HTML. So by using this we are going to display total count for review for different star rating, and by using this we are going to display shop average rating. So scroll down, you see insert method, now select shortcode and then you see shortcode. Please save the snippet first, so click on activate. Now you see activated and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Scroll down and then you see shortcode, copy, go to page and now paste and then click on update. So you can add this code where you want to display these. Now page updated done. Go to page and refresh the page. Then you see total reviews for different star rating 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you see total count and then you see shop average rating 4.5 by 5. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.